Hi Roshan Gitali, wish you a happy wedding anniversary. May God bless you both, fulfill all your wishes and may all your dreams come true. I pray to God to see you together for the rest of your life.
लग्नाच्या वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Hello Roshan Gitali, wishing you a very very happy 13th wedding anniversary. Love you both, bacha.
बेटा की तू मुलगाच आहेस माझा. असंच रॅशिंग राहा, अन्याय सहन करू नको आणि अन्याय होणार नाही असे वागू पण नकोस. मुलांचे जावाई बापूंचे सासू सासऱ्यांचे चांगले संगोपन केले, त्यात आणखी इम्प्रूव्हमेंट कर. यापेक्षा तब्येत महत्वाची आहे तुझी, बरं का. तब्येत सांभाळ. बरं बेटा, मिलींचा पण तुला दोघांना शुभेच्छा. आम्ही तुझ्या पाठीशी आहोत. तुझ्या लग्नाच्या वाढदिवसाला भरपूर आशीर्वाद. नातवंडांना गोड बाबा, बरं जवळ बापू, आपण कसे आहात? आपणास पण स्पेशल आशीर्वाद. तुमचे बाबा स्वामी
वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. तुम्ही 13 वर्ष एकत्र राहिलात. आयुष्य मैत्रीलाही 18 वर्ष झाली. आयुष्यातले चढउतार आपण
तुम्ही दोघांनी एकत्र 13 वर्ष काढली. या 13 वर्षामध्ये तुम्ही दोघांनी आयुष्यामध्ये खूप चढउतार पाहिले आणि ते तुम्ही दोघांनीही यशस्वीरित्या पार केले.
गीताली, आपल्या मैत्रीला 18 वर्ष झालेत. आपल्या ग्रुपमध्ये सर्वात आधी तुझेच लग्न झाले आणि तू मैत्री आणि कुटुंब खूप नीट सांभाळलेस.
गीताली, आधी सायशा आणि मयंक ही दोघांचे तुम्ही छान संगोपन केले. आयुष्याच्या प्रत्येक वळणावर तुम्ही असेच सोबत राहा ही सदिच्छा.
हॅपी अॅनिव्हर्सरी हॅपी अॅनिव्हर्सरी गीताली आणि रोशन.
लग्नाच्या खूप खूप
शुभेच्छा. हे झाडे वजन जरा कमी कर.
Stay happy, stay blessed always.
Hi Roshan, hi Gitali. Wish you happy marriage anniversary. We wish you all the best from Vaishali, Mukund and Kalpak. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy wedding anniversary. Uncle Anand. Happy wedding anniversary, Uncle Anand.
हॅलो रोशन गीताली, हॅपी वेडिंग एनिव्हर्सरी.
Happy wedding anniversary, Anand. Happy wedding anniversary.
Hello Gitali and Roshan, wishing you a very happy wedding anniversary. May God shower His blessings on you and your family.
तुम्हाला लग्नाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा आणि पुढच्या भविष्यासाठी भरपूर खूप खूप आशीर्वाद. बाय.
हॅपी मॅरिड डे.
त्या दोघांकडून तुम्हाला आम्हा दोघांकडून तुम्हाला आशीर्वाद.
Hello Roshan, Gitali. Congratulations, you are celebrating 13 years of your marriage. I'm so delighted to know that. Thanks Roshan for letting me know, and I'm so happy to make this video for you and for Gitali. Normally, I'm sure you must have heard that people have this feeling that number 13 is not auspicious, but no, I don't think so. In your and Gitali's case, it's one of the most auspicious things which is happening, that you are celebrating 13 years of your marriage. God has been very kind, giving you such lovely two kids, Shaisha and Mayank. They are very enthusiastic, very nice kids. I wish you all the best in your life, and I wish you would be celebrating silver, golden and diamond jubilee also. Bye. Take care.
Gitali and Roshan, wish you happy wedding anniversary. Wish you have happy future prosperous life under the guidance of Mayank. Okay, enjoy it. Thank you.
Another year is waiting for your success. Stay blessed and get more happiness. Wishing you a happy wedding anniversary, Geetudi and Roshan Jiju. Love you.
Hello Roshan, hello Geetali. Happy 13th anniversary. Stay blessed, have fun, enjoy. Love you guys.
Hi Roshan, hi Geetali. Congratulations on completing a successful 13 years of your marriage. And मी तुला कधी भेटली नाही आहे गीताली, but I've heard a lot about you. I'm Riya, by the way, and I can see a lot of positive changes in Roshan. So really hats off to you, and I wish you a very happy anniversary, both of you, and may both of you find happiness in each other.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरी अल्लाह से दुआ है कि आप दोनों हमेशा खुश रहे। और रही बात रोशन, अल्लाह से दुआ है कि तेरा नाम हमेशा रोशन रहे। हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी, 13th anniversary.
Hi Roshan and Geetali. I first of all wanted to wish you from the bottom of my heart a very happy wedding anniversary. May your marriage be blessed with love, joy and companionship for the rest of all the years of your life. And may you get more years added to your life together to celebrate your love getting stronger and stronger with time. Secondly, all I wanted to say is falling in love is easy, okay? But staying in love is basically something different. And you guys did it. Happy wedding anniversary, guys. Love you all.
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Zuekar, for celebrating 13 years of togetherness with each other. Knowing you both was an amazing experience. ये हो गया गाड़वा फॉर्मल. आता 13 yearsचा जेल तुला नाही, गीतालीला. गीताली, hats off to you to be with him, take care of him. I know it's a both side relationship, but I know Roshan very well from last 4 years. So hats off to you, lady, and God bless. Stay blessed, stay together, and thanks for taking care of him. And मैं तेरा सौतन हूँ, मालूम है कि नहीं? Yeah? I know he is an asset. Asshole नहीं म्हणतो तो आहे तो, but he's an asset. And keep harnessing him. I love you what you did for him last 1 year. He's controlled his alcohol, and I would wish you could get him under control for his cigarettes. Stay blessed. Bye.
Happy wedding anniversary, Gitu and Roshan. God bless you both. And once again, very happy wedding anniversary. Gitu and Roshan, both of you stay blessed.
Wish you very happy anniversary. God bless you both.
Hi lovers, Geetali and Roshan.
Hi Roshan, hi Geetali. Wishing you a very happy wedding anniversary. May God bless you with lots of love, happiness and togetherness. Once again,
happy anniversary.
Wishing you both a very happy wedding 13th anniversary to Roshan and Geetali Bhabhi. God bless you with lots and loads of love and happiness, togetherness. Thank you. Bye.
Dear Mr. Roshan and Ms. Geetali, congratulations with your wedding anniversary. I would like to wish you a lot of happiness, a lot of blessings from God on you, on your children. I wish you best of luck in everything. May God bless you, may God bless your kids, and I wish you a lot of happiness ahead.
गीताली व रोशन यांना लग्नाच्या वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. त्यांनी 13 वर्ष लग्न
पूर्ण होऊन त्यांच्या 14व्या वर्षाच्या ह्याच्यात पदार्पण करत आहे, तरी त्यांना
भावी आयुष्यात त्यांना हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Ha ha ha, happy anniversary. Ha ha ha, happy anniversary. Happy anniversary, happy anniversary, this special day. I'm happy with you. Let's celebrate our happy anniversary. Ha ha ha, happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. I wish to you happy, happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
शादी का सालगिरह मुबारक हो रोशन भाई, गीताली मैडम, हैप्पी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी।